thing on this channel called What's on the Inside, where I'm going to take a bunch of broken stuff that I obviously wouldn't want to take stuff that's not broken. But this surge protector is very old, and I figured I'd take it apart and see what's on the inside. Yes, I know I could be using a drill or something else to make this faster. My pocket knife was available, so I decided to use it. And if I'm not in shot, I apologize as well. Or if it's too much in shot. Not really too worried about the screws or anything like that, since, once again, this is a non-working device. Okay. You're supposed to replace these, especially if you've got electronic devices, once a year. Like computerized electronic devices, obviously, you're plugging electronic devices into here. However, this one's probably 15 to 20 years old. And the switch finally just gave out. Interesting. That's the underside of the back of the surge protector. Now, this is the switch. It looks like something melted, because the rest of the cables and everything look perfectly fine. And there's the reset. But this is a very old surge protector, so the switch just wore out. Come back to my channel for another one.